it's your girl Duke in Miami. Dollar Tree Besties. Christmas has arrived, y'all. Dollar Tree showing out their shit from what I heard. Let's go out these aisles right quick and see what they got, because I can't wait to see what's going on. We just say it already. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Got you blessed, baby.
In the bag section, let's go ahead and start with there. So first thing first, coming out the store, they got some nice bags. Now these bags are very, very new. I have not seen these bags last year at all. Okay, yeah, I have not seen them again last year at all. Again, they have some for $3, some for $5, and just some for $1.25 and $1.50. That's it, y'all. That's only it. Now they did have the real big bags last year before for $1.25, but I don't see no big bags anymore. Yeah, you know how a lot of things change in Dollar Tree, but I don't care. I'm still here for y'all. And they have some other bags as well. They got some Santa Claus bags. They got some wine holder bags and things like that. They got the snowman bags and whatnot. But these bags right here, I thought was so adorable. They so kid friendly, but at the same time, they good for like giving to adults. It says fa la 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 la. These are new. These like mammy of a stamp. You put like on top of mail and things like that. This one say Happy Holidays. Like, I love those, my favorite. The ornaments is still the same. Nothing has changed the ornaments. She is so beautiful, guys. She's so beautiful. But the ornaments, like, I don't really, like, I use the same stuff from last year because I don't know. I don't have money like that to be wasted. So I like to, like, use the same thing over. Call me a cheapskate you want, whatever it is, y'all. I know, y'all, I know. But over here, y'all, let's go ahead and see some oven mitts. They got some oven gloves as well. These were so cute, right? These are very, very new. I did not see these last year. If they was out, I didn't see them in the store that I go to. I thought it was so right on time. It's like the Nutcracker type of vibe, y'all. So I believe for these was $1.25 or either $1.50. Yeah, not $3 and not $5. So definitely affordable. And like I would get these, but I want them to use them. I have them for decoration in my kitchen and have them again. They got these beautiful tiles that say Merry Christmas, doing like a little singing in the school play, things like that. Or just wear with like ugly Christmas sweater. They also have some kids skirts as well. I bought a couple of those last year for my daughter. We did our pictures and things like that. And this stocking right here, the little girl that's a ballerina, oh my God, my daughter still have one for like 3 years ago. I don't know if you guys remember, but around like 2021, like 2022, Dollar Tree had started getting a lot of brown skin type of Christmas ornaments and decorations. So I took advantage. I bought I bought so much, y'all. They still have a few left. They got some Snoopy, some Mickey Mouse. They got all these again. Matter of fact, was here last year. These don't change. They stay the same as well. They got Paw Patrol. They got some pencils. They even got some mold. You could put ice up in there, or you could also do some candle making type of vibe with that. They got a Rudolph nose. Oh, they also have some more too. These is new. These is so like a gingerbread house type of vibe. Yo, it come with 2 for $1.25. I love how it looks. So yeah, y'all, these stay the same. These are their sauce. Oh, y'all, look at the sauce. It go with the gingerbread. Remember I just showed you guys the oven mitts? Oh my God, they are so dope. You get your little cute shirt for your daughter and have her wearing these socks. You know you can make stockings out of socks too, right? For like toddlers and kiddos. Yes, y'all. Let me tell you, honey, Dollar Tree is the place to be. I love this stuff, y'all. They got the fuzzies as well. I'm gonna grab me 2 pair of these socks for me and my daughter. We gonna do an outfit together for our Christmas picture this year. I might just go ahead and put something off with these gingerbread socks. They so girlish, they so pink, they so beautiful, and they different, y'all. I'm feeling it. So over here, oh my God, y'all, these are new. These are new. It's like a little plastic plate. You can put your cookies on top of that. You have your Christmas party. You put the goodies on here, things like that. It's like a candy cane type of oval vibe. Yeah, y'all. Again, this was $1.25, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. Either $1.25 or $1.50. Let me not just tell you guys. You know, they got another one too, Santa Claus. This was so festive, y'all. Dollar Tree doing anything, y'all. I'm loving it though. Even though Dollar Tree went up on their prices, I'm still shopping Dollar Tree, y'all. They got some table mats as well, candy cane. Let's go ahead through here and see what we see. You got trigger snowman, so let it snow. These are table placemats. They fabric as well. They also have some other kinds too. Those was also here last year. Those right here, I'm going to show you right now. My daughter, she trying to get toys. I ain't got time to buy no toys for her. These were here last year. Like, I forgot the fairy name of it, but it's called like a Trapsy type of vibe, y'all. A Trapsy. I think I said it right. Yeah, y'all. They got Joy. These more like a classic type of look. You know what I'm saying? Again, they got more hats for the Rudolph. These for the kiddo, for Christmas parties. And you know, the little thing, you know. Very festive. They got the little paper plates as well. And oh, okay, y'all. These is cute. These are new, y'all. Another plastic tray as well for goodies. I think it'd be so dope. You could also like hang them up on, like, get some double tape and hang it up on the wall. Be very, very dope as well to do things different. And another one too with Santa Claus, the little elves, the Rudolph, the Christmas tree. I'm loving these plates though, Dollar Tree. I am loving it, y'all. You already know what time of day it is, y'all. I am loving it. How about you? You like it? Matter of fact, y'all, if you made this far to the video, that means you're feeling it. So go ahead and subscribe button for more content like this coming your way. You already know what time that day is. A vibe. I'm going to show you all new things. You know what I'm saying? What you need to be getting, what you don't need to be getting, what's new, what's been out, and all that good stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? Follow, subscribe, comment down below, because it's a vibe. You know, we always say ball on the what? Budget. Hello. So back to the regular programming, y'all. I had to go ahead and say that really fast because, like, I appreciate every one of y'all that's working with me, been working with me, still working with me, even you new work with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I just showed you guys the oven mitt one with the snowflake. Very, very, very new. Now, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. When it comes to Dollar Tree silverware, they cups, they spoons, they plates and all that there, they platter trays, they get a lot of that new stuff because they feel like, okay, well, Christmas time, holiday season, people like to have family over for dinner, so they make sure they do it big when it comes to their placemats, their cups. Cause like a lot of the stuff you're looking at right now is very, very, very new. This cup right here, I'm about to show you guys. That one right fast is so adorable, y'all. The Christmas trees on the side, going way around. I love it, y'all. My husband, he loves Yucatina Riley, so I might go ahead and get him one of these cups. This one right here, I don't know if it's new or not, but it looks like it's kind of familiar. Another thing, guys, I know you probably already know this, but what may be new to me may not be new to you. Remember, everybody got their own time how to get things. Dollar Tree, sometimes they just, like, Dad had his last year to somebody else's store, like, maybe like in Florida, but in New York, it's like new, so it's just weird all the way around. And on their holiday season for dinnerware, they have a big selection of, like, cups and plates like that. Speaking of cups, y'all, here go another one to go to the snowflake one I showed you guys earlier. And these are selling out, guys. You see, it's only two left. Everybody loving these. These is new again. They running through these like hotcakes. Okay, y'all. These right here. I think these was here last year, y'all. I really believe they was here last year. I don't know, but they still got a lot of them there. Nobody really buying them, though. But this right here, I thought was so cute. I see a lot of DIYs I can go ahead and do with this, y'all. I'm sorry, I make a little clear right now. So this right here is gold. They got a silver one as well. It got glitter all the way around it, guys. Of course, it won't come off as sealed. And they got cut out Christmas trees and stars and whatnot. Yeah, yeah. The salsa place is cute as well, but nobody really buying those. I don't know why people not buying them. I think they was here last year. I keep saying that, y'all. I don't know. But this set right here is giving. Oh my God, I got the cup, the hand towel, the placemat, not placemat, but the oven glove, and also the pot holders. Let me tell you guys, I love it. Nobody really buying those, but they buying the plates, y'all. They getting the plates though. But y'all, it's a love, peace, and joy. This is so Christmas, like it's green, got the Christmas trees. Listen, I'm here for it. They got the glass too as well. Okay, yes, got the glass. Okay, Dollar Tree stuff just came up, I see. Of course, they got little baskets down. They got red, white, and green. Of course, Christmas color, because it's like what it is. These believe like to be like 150 or I think 125. I'm not sure. But this right here remind me of the Santa belt, like a little buckle in the front. Those is very, very cute. I like them, y'all. They clear glass, well, not glass, but they clear plastic. I'm sorry about that. And oh, y'all, people is buying these too. These little spatulas, you get 2 for $125. Okay, guys, if I say $125, $150, it's either between the prices. Okay, y'all. So don't go to the store and be like, well, she said it was $125. It's like, no, but it's not $3 off 5, so it's definitely between $125 and $150, y'all. But they come with 2 spatulas as well, the small one, the big one. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one more clip of Christmas stuff. I'm going to go ahead to like the other section, like beauty and hair and all that there. But they got these glasses, y'all. So adorable. We got the gingerbread man. They got the candy cane one. And they also got chili in the back. I'm going to bring to the front. But these glasses is so thick, y'all. They well made. They not cheap at all. They not the thin glasses you saw earlier in the video. These is very thick. You can look at them and tell they good quality, y'all. Again, $150, y'all. Dollar Tree be doing their thing, y'all. They doing their thing. So let's go ahead to the beauty section, y'all. I know you guys can wait for this. Now, Auntie be doing their thing for like 2 years straight. If you know about Aunt Auntie, you know they have some good stuff. I saw some new things today. This would be good for Christmas stocking stuffer for those who like makeup. It's a liquid bronzer in the color mochaccino, y'all. This is very new. I never saw nobody talk about this, y'all. But let me go and say all that. Oh, and y'all, this is our Auntie green tea, like a face mister or a setting spray, y'all. You know, I gotta go ahead and get me a few. I don't want to need no more makeup stuff. I got so much as it is, y'all. And this right here also is a primer. It's only 2 left, just for me. But like I said, I have, like, girl, I got so much makeup, I don't need no more. So I might get it, I may not get it, y'all. But just in case I do get it, let me go ahead and get me this right back, because you never know. Oh, y'all, Lucky Charms, marshmallows, since when? Okay, when I was a kid, why they didn't have this stuff? They have all the good stuff now. But when I was a kid, they had nothing. Enriched crackers with chocolate on them. Sign me up. Oh my god, I know it's gonna taste so good, y'all. Cause chocolate, like with a lot of salt in it, it's amazing, y'all. I know this ain't 150. I know this ain't 150. It look too good. It's too brand to be 150. But I wouldn't be surprised though. They got some Oreo filled with white chocolate fudge. Oh my god, y'all. I know it's gonna be so delicious. And it's double stuff as well, yo. I gotta go ahead and price tag this, yo. I really do. And since we on food, y'all, I went by this aisle. I saw this big old Kick spot sticking out. You know, Kick's been around for years, yo. I grew up on this stuff. It was cheap back then. But I say, for this big box, it had to be like $5, y'all. I had to go ahead and price tag this, scan this, all that. Here I go, walk up to the scanner, because I couldn't believe it, y'all. Let me tell you about you. Y'all ready for it? Y'all ready to see this price? Guess your price. I'm going to tell you right now how much it is. Are you ready? You ready? All ready, y'all? It's what? $125? Big old box Kick cereal costs $1.25. Yo, in a supermarket, this thing like $10 or Dollar Tree want $1.25. I'm getting one, y'all. That's it. I'm getting one. Yeah, y'all. $1.25 for the big box of cereal. Sign me up. Cheese. Listen, you see why I love Dollar Tree. Y'all see why I love Dollar Tree, and that's it, y'all. That's what it is. So, alright, y'all. So we coming to the end of this video of the Christmas Find Dollar Tree 2025. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Like, comment down below, and subscribe for more. Me and my princess playing this game that we all playing Dollar Tree. We playing sword fight and whatnot. So I may do a part 2, guys. So follow for more. Hit me up on TikTok or Facebook. Thanks again for watching. Peace.